Today's video, I want to start by thanking Gardenreet. They had reached out to us with an offer to provide us with some beautiful, luxurious outdoor in-ground well lights. So these lights are going to illuminate the front and the side of our home and garage and just really enhance the look of the homestead. So what I'd like to do today is to show you everything they sent us in this box, show you all the product features of these lights and how easy they are to install. And then of course we're going to show you what it looked like before and after the lights have been installed. So I took most of the stuff out of all the packaging just so you could get a nice visual. Every light comes packaged individually. It's nice and secure for safe shipping. Everything arrived in really great condition. So when you open the main box, you'll see 6 of these. Of course, ours is the set of 6 in-ground well lights. This is how it's going to arrive in the box. So as you can see, the covers are on them. There's no light bulbs inside. So all we're going to do is just simply take the screwdriver that's provided, take these 5 screws out. Looking inside, you can see how the bulbs just plug right in. They're so easy and replaceable, which I do love. So this is the bulb. We chose one of the brighter ones. They actually have many different options of colors and styles. So it's so easy. You just simply line up the little prongs, push it into place, and there it is. So easy to set up. If you see here as well, these move. So you can change the angles. For the time being, I'm actually going to leave all the covers off until we get these in the ground. I'd like to actually turn them on, adjust them where they need to be, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the waterproof O-ring back on. And we'll then just put the covers back on when they're outside. Of course, so easy. Just line up the holes, put your screws back in, and you're done. We decided where we wanted to put the lights. They're all assembled and ready to go. Rye is outside doing some digging. He is making the holes to place these in. He's doing some trenching to lay the wiring in as well. And we're going to head outside. We're going to pick up the process out there. Here's what one looks like fully covered back in. Now I don't have all the screws in the light because we're still going to angle them once we get it set up. We started backfilling this part of the trench. And he's just working on keeping going. This light here is all filled back in. So they do sit really flush to the ground. And of course it's just going to